Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to Celine, I'm going to try on something, and then at the end I'm going to unbox my new purchase. I hope that you like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. It has been a while since I came back to the store. The last time I went there was in November and it was in Tokyo, Japan, and I also posted a video about it. I will link it down for you guys in case you want to check it out. The items that I tried on are still available in the store. Actually, the reason why I went there is because I have recently posted a video about quiet luxury, and as I was making it, I decided to check out the website to see the new designs. If you haven't watched that vlog, I will link it down in the description box below in case you want to check it out. As mentioned in my vlog, not all the designs from Celine are quite luxury, but these two items are. The jacket is so cute, it's so well made, I just love it. And also the jeans are not too bad, they are a bit long, but of course Celine can easily alter them. I absolutely love Celine jackets. I have some tweed ones and I also have a knit one that I featured in my vlog, which I mentioned previously, and I feel like they are so timeless. I just love them, and because the quality is so good, I know that they will be in my wardrobe for decades to come. I'm considering this jacket, it's so adorable and I literally love the way it looks with everything, with jeans, with shorts. It will also look great with black trousers. It looks quite thick, but actually it's not too warm. I can comfortably wear it in the aircon spaces, for example in the malls and especially in the cinema. It's just perfect for this type of temperature. And I love the fact that the buttons are golden. I feel like a lot of my jewelry will look amazing with it. I have so many VCA pieces in yellow gold that would look just perfect. It's so pretty, I love it. I'm just obsessed with this combination. Usually I don't go for the beige color, but I have to say this jacket is so pretty. I just love the way it feels and the way it looks. I feel like the camera does not do it justice. It looks so much prettier in the real life. I was told that it's the only piece in my size, but if I would need to, I could always pre-order, which is great, and I like it. Unfortunately, not many brands allow that. For example, Chanel did not allow that. It's always quite hard to find the small sizes there. Also, I have to say that a lot of Celine jackets run true to size. I love the fact that the brand is quite consistent with the sizes. It makes it a lot easier to choose the clothes, and I can always pre-order things and know that they will fit me. Of course, sometimes I would have to fix the sleeve length, but that's pretty much it. I never had to alter the weave or the shoulders, they were always perfect. My sales associate also brought to me this sweater, which is quite cute. I usually don't buy such big logos, but I quite like the fit. I have also been into off-white clothes. I think it's so pretty and so easy to style. I'm just so obsessed with this color combination. And this one is not in my size. I believe it's in a large size. But I love the way it fits. I love the oversized look. It's quite flattering and so different. I don't have many this type of sweaters in my collection. I think this sweater in my size would be a bit more cropped and a bit more figure hugging, which is also quite interesting, but I have been into oversized looks lately, and I think this one would be so easy to style and match with different outfits. And I'll also try it on with the jeans and show to you. But I have to say the logo is quite big. I would need to get used to it. I typically go for a more discreet clothes, and it also allows me to wear it to a lot more places. I feel like it won't be that easy with this logo. Anyways, I like it with the jeans. I feel like it looks great with everything, with jeans, with shorts, and also it would look great with black trousers. So cute and so comfortable. And of course, I would style it with running shoes. I think it would look much nicer. And here is another sweater. The cut is so cute. I like it. It's quite flattering. It's in my size. It was not my first choice, but Sales Associate brought it for me to try on, and I have to say I quite like the fit. And the color is not bad. I feel like this one would be also quite easy to style on a daily basis, and it's a lot more discreet, so it would be a lot more comfortable to wear it everywhere. I'm wearing a bright red bag today, and I think it would look quite nice with it as well. Although I would probably wear it with my beige Chanel Claire, I feel like it would look nicer, but it's not bad with the bright bag as well. Sometimes it's nice to have a pop of color to elevate the outfit and make it a bit more fun. I feel like this color combination of the sweater would be so easy to style with other colorful bags as well. It's gorgeous, it's quite flattering. I'm definitely going to think about adding this one. It's quite functional and so easy to style. But if I had to choose between the other one, the color of the previous sweater would suit me more. And also I'm into lighter colors, so yeah, I definitely have to think about it. Celine is one of the brands where it's so easy to find beautiful things that are also timeless and classic, and that will last me for decades to come. But as mentioned previously, I have to be quite strict with what I add to my wardrobe, because once I get something, I will have to let go of something else. And it's rather hard to do because I love everything that I currently have. Anyways, here is another jacket, and I previously tried it on in at least 2 of my videos. It's still on my radar. I got this one in a white color and I love it, but I'm still thinking about the black one. It's so cute. I would definitely have to alter the sleeve length. It's not too thick, it's perfect for the aircon kind of temperature, and also I love the fact that it's timeless and classic. And I feel like I will not fall out of love with it. It's stunning. And I also love the gold buttons. They are so pretty and they will match quite nicely with my yellow gold jewelry. I think I will take a bit longer time to consider whether I need to add this one to my collection. I just have to make sure that I'll be able to wear it quite often and that I will not have any buyer's remorse. I also spotted these super cute bags. They are so tiny and so adorable. The leather is quite nice and the bag is quite light. It's also quite easy to open it. I believe they're made of calfskin because the leather is quite sturdy. I find it quite durable and long-lasting. This size is so cute and I love the strap. It's really nice. I wonder about the quality of the hardware. Is it long-lasting? I find my Chanel Classic flat bags super durable. I don't have any issues with the hardware, even if I don't use them for a long time. I have just come home and I'm so excited to unbox the item that I have just purchased with you guys. And by the way, my lovely sales associate gave me these 2 perfume samples, which is quite nice. And here is the bag for the item. I just had to get that jacket. It's so beautiful and I just love that design. And I feel like I would totally regret not getting it. And by the way, this is how the color looks in real life. It's more like that. And the buttons are so beautiful. I love them. I'm planning to wear it with my beige Chanel Classic flat bag. I love that the hardware is also in a gold color and it would look so nice. And I will wear it with my free wall earrings. I have these ones in a large and a small size. And by the way guys, I have previously reviewed it on my channel. I will find the vlog and will link it down for you guys in case you want to check it out. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!